I'm not sure if you watched my last video, but last video I discussed how fractions are not just part of a whole, but they can be part of a whole group. So let's take a look at this group. I have a bunch of different items here. I have 2 planes that kind of look like stick people. I have 2 cars and I have 3 trucks. How many vehicles or modes of transportation or ways we move around do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 items. So that's how many we have together. Now it says, what fraction of the above are trucks? Now, even though my pictures aren't great, I'm pretty sure you can tell the difference between the smaller car and the bigger truck. So how many trucks do we have? That's right, we have 3. And how many vehicles did we have all together? 7. So 3 out of the 7 are trucks. So 3/7 is how we read that. Now it says, what fraction of the above are planes? Well, again, the whole amount is 7, so we know it's something sevenths. But how many of them are planes? 2. We have 2/7. So 2 out of the 7 are planes. Now it says which fraction is greater. Well, let's think about this. If I have 3 trucks or 2 planes, what do I have more of? I have more trucks, so that means 3/7 must be more than 2/7. Let's try the next one. So for this next problem, I think it must be somebody's birthday because I see some cake, some party hats, and some presents. Well, this is one big group. So how many items do we have in the entire group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 items in the entire group. That's really important knowledge to know. Now it says, what fraction of the group are cakes? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of 10. We had 10 in total. So 3/10. Remember, 3 tells me how many we have, and 10 tells me how many were in my whole set, how many pieces it's broken into. Now it says, what fraction of the group are hats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of the 10 items are hats. Again, it's because there are 10 things there, 5 of them are hats. Now it says, which fraction is greater? Which one do I have more of? I have more hats. So 5/10 is more than 3/10. Okay, for my last problem now. So this one looks like we're getting ready for school. Let's take a look. How many items do we have in our group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 items in our group. Now, if you can't tell, these are my scissors. Sorry, I think the drawing on your paper is a little better than mine. But it says, what fractions of this group are scissors? So we had 11. So we know 11 has to be our denominator. How many of them are scissors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are scissors. That's great. What fraction of the group are rulers? 1, 2, 3. 3/11. 3 out of 11 are rulers. Now it says, which fraction is greater? Well, I have more scissors than rulers, and therefore 7/11 is more than 3/11. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. Let's see if you can solve this. Ready? What fraction is not scissors? So what fraction is not scissors? So like we said before, we know the bottom's 11, but how many of them are not scissors? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 11s are not scissors. Now, that was a little bonus one for you guys. Now, do your independent work. Check to see if you understand. I'm sure you're going to do a great job. See you next time. Bye.